There's another technique I wanted to show you about sanding, or we'll call it block sanding. This is the method where I'm sure you've seen people do it. You take your 8x11 sandpaper, cut it in half, and you got two pieces like this, and you fold it into thirds. So you get a piece that's made like this in thirds, and you sand with it, and you unfold it, and you sand it. I mean, I think everybody knows to do this. Then, on areas like this, you can use this as a pseudo sanding block. There's enough stiffness in this paper. If you don't get stupid with it and your pressure, you roll this thing into a little cone, a little shape here, and you basically got a sanding block along this edge, as long as you're careful. I mean, you wouldn't want to sand the hood with it or something like that, but these little areas like this curve, I'm going to get in here and sand this with this edge like it's a little sanding block. And we can get down in this curve. This has got a reverse curve. It's got a curved curve. Very strange, very, not straight shape. But yet I want to have the effect of blocking it. So I'm using this edge of this paper to do that. And you can see right here, I'm blocking down in this corner. There's a lot of rust pits right here I want to try to block out. Or if I have to fill them, but I'm definitely wanting to, because if I was just doing the regular hand sand deal, I wouldn't block them out. Not correctly anyway. And I don't know if anybody's watching this laughing at me doing it. You can laugh if you want. I've been doing this for over 30 years. And it's a method that works. Laugh at it if you want to. I don't really care. It works. I suggest you try it yourself sometime. For stuff like this. So I can get down in this corner right here. Now I'm not so much blocking this here as I am just sanding. But yet I can still get down in that corner with a pretty good block effect. As long as I'm careful. Don't put too much pressure. And I can get down in here. See, I got some pits right here I want to work on. If you want to buy fancy sanding blocks and fancy shapes and pool whirlables, what are those things called? Pool what? Noodles, which is a bigger piece, obviously. Foam, plastic rods, anything you want to do. If you want to buy that, feel free. But I'm telling you, this works. If you take your time, be careful with it, it works. And all it takes is a piece of sandpaper.